Hello everyone. The Court of Employment and Labour Relations, based in Nairobi, declared a court order to the Nairobi County Assembly and its Speaker, ordering them to make a compensation of about 7.1 million Kenyan shillings to a job seeker for violating his constitutional rights after they failed to communicate the outcomes of his vetting interview for a senior county position. During the court case hearing of Wako versus the Governor of Nairobi City County and 3 others, the court found that the County Assembly and its Speaker actually breached Articles 35 and 47 of the Constitution, which guarantees the right to access information and the right to fair administrative action. The petitioner had been nominated for the position of the County Chief Officer for Housing and Urban Renewal, whereby his name was published in a public notice alongside 6 other nominees. In a judgment delivered by Justice Byram Ongaya, Wako was expecting to be informed about the outcomes following a vetting exercise by Lands, Planning and Housing Committee of the County Assembly on May 2024. However, the Assembly never tabled a report on his suitability, and neither debated about it, leaving him without any formal communication for months after the vetting process had been completed. In his efforts, the petitioner went to seek a clarification from the authorities, but the Assembly provided no explanation and neither gave any official feedback. According to the provisions of the Public Appointments Act of 2017, Justice Ongaya made a court ruling that the County Assembly failed to discharge their statutory mandate under the law, but actually aborted the vetting process, infringing on the petitioner's right. However, the Governor of Nairobi County Government was cleared from direct liability, as their involvement ended with the nomination process, but the court instead declared a full responsibility upon the County Assembly and its Speaker to jointly pay an amount of 7 million Kenyan shillings in general damages for violating constitutional rights and suffering endured by the petitioner. Thank you and keep on subscribing.